Hi, I'm Anita Potter from Needles and Hooks, and welcome to episode 4 of Finished Objects and Yarn Buys. So I've got a couple of finished objects. One I accidentally buried behind my yarn, so I will show that last. And I didn't show this one before. It's a Christmas gift that my daughter got sooner than Christmas. The elephant. Little bell button. Little tail. Little tuft on the head. And I actually used safety eyes for the first time. He's adorable. Get him in the camera view. Yep. Hi. So the pattern that I used for this was not fun. Things went wrong, and I followed the pattern. I know how to follow a written pattern, but I think it was written, I don't want to say badly, but it wasn't written all that well. So, but he turned out, and my daughter loves him. So I'm going to set him back over here. Now, I was talking about this project the other day in a call, so I got it wrong. The pattern for this bag was from 2009. I started this project in 2013. So this was a UFO for like 11 years. And all it needed was the strap sewn on. And here it is. Close up of this. This was also a frustrating pattern. I hate it when it does that. Because it said graft. I only know how to graft in stockinette. I do not know how to graft in pattern. And it's like, I really want to figure out how to do that. So I may, one of these days, when I'm not so busy with all these projects I've got running around, is learn how to graft in pattern. Unless somebody's already done that, I don't know. So, and it's like, it's all cables. It's knit. You can see the cabling on the strap. Sewed it in. Whoops, hit my microphone. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this bag. I've got lots of bags, so it's all done. All cabled, sewed. It had been sitting in a bag for, my guess would be 11 years. So that's the 2 of 3 finished objects. And as soon as I unbury the third one, I'll show that one. But as you may know, I've got the yarns for my temperature blankets in. I got them in today. Almost gave me a heart attack because when I got the delivery notification and the photo from FedEx, it was like the front of a house. And I'm like, what is going on? So I'm freaking out for like the last 2 hours of my shift, thinking that they sent my yarn to somebody else's house. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm freaking out. And I finally got home and it was like, it was in front of my door. And I'm like, so my phone wasn't showing me the proper image. So I don't know if it was the FedEx site or whatnot. It wasn't showing me the proper photo of the boxes at my front door. But when I got home, it showed proper. So, and I'm going to pull up my sheet here, and I'm going to make the sheet available once I get it finished. I still have to make the calendar that goes with it for the crochet one. So on the crochet one, I'm going to do two half square triangles, one for the low, one for the high. I think I'm going to border it in black, and any spaces in the calendar will be black also, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm figuring this out as I go because I've never done one before. And I'm doing a knit one and a crochet one. So, let's start at the bottom. The border color for both blankets, the knit one is going to be done in columns. And yeah, it's going to start from January 1st and go down. So in between it's going to be 4 rows of 4 rows of the high temperature, 4 rows of the low temperature, and then 2 border rows in black. So the first thing I got, let me reach over here on the floor. Maybe so far away. I bought 6 of these. It's Red Heart Super Saver in black. I think it's like 6 ounces, 7 ounces. I don't know. Let me find it. 7 ounces. So I've got 6 of these. So I have 42 ounces of yarn. I'm hoping that's enough to do 2 blankets. So I kept my box really close so I can just chuck it back there and get it out of the way. They're going to live in the box until I'm ready to start. So for the temperature of less than 0, I have, and the rest of these are all big twist. So I've got big twist in white. These are 6-ounce skeins. And I'm hoping this will be enough. If not, I can toddle on over to JoAnn's and buy more. But I will use what I've got first. So, less than 0 on the temperature. Chuck. 0 to 9 is ivory. Chuck. Let's see. 10 to 19. Sky blue. Oh, I missed. Oh well, I'll get it later. That was sky blue. 20 to 29. Varsity blue. Let's see. 30 to 39. Lilac. Oh no, my yarn bag is open. No. 40 to 49. Purple. Oh, it's getting to the bottom of the floor. Oh, here we go. 50 to 59. Varsity yellow. Where am I? Okay. 60 to 69. Varsity gold. Let's see, where am I? Okay. 70 to 79. Varsity orange. I missed again. Oh well. That's where it lives now. It slid off, so here we go. 80 to 89. Diva pink. Because they didn't have a bright red, so I got Diva pink. 90 to 99. Varsity red. And 100 plus. Deep red. Okay. Now also, I'm working on that granny square blanket. I'm on my second skein of Red Heart Super Saver Ombre in Spirit. Spirit? Spearmint. Anyway, so I ended up buying 4 more. So this is only 2 of them. I have 2 more. So hopefully this will be enough to finish that blanket. I'm also going to chuck it in there. And grab my other finished object. It's another Joey bag by Juan the Yarn Addict. Now I made the strings chain 75 for the straps. And I need to fix the one on mine because they're a little too long. So, you open it. And inside, if I can find it, there's also the pocket. I put the pocket in there. My daughter wanted the pocket, so I got her the pocket. So, this has been living in the desk. She has no idea it's done. I'd like to keep it that way. But that's fine. She doesn't watch my channel anyway. So, I'll put it back in the desk. And that is all for finished objects and yarn buys. Now, when I do get the temperature blanket file ready, and so it'll be in Google Drive, and I will have it all ready and set if you guys wanted to follow along with me to do it. And you can choose whatever colors you want. I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colors and black. So that's 13 different colors. Black is my border color. You can do it however you want, whichever way you want. If you wanted to follow along with me, I'll have everything ready to go by or before January 1st, because I still have to make the calendars. That way you know how many of the half square triangles that you put together to make the square, how many of those are going to take. So I will leave you guys to it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.